Hello, if this is your first time watching me, my name is DeCarlo Elisa and welcome to my channel. I don't do a whole lot of unboxings or luxury purchases and things like that on my channel. I'm mainly a vlogger, but every now and again I will do a haul or something to that nature. So this is actually my second handbag unboxing on my channel. The first one was a Brandon Blackwood trunk bag, and you may just want to reach back a couple videos back and you'll see that unboxing. But today I do have a Coach Georgie saddlebag that I wanted to show you guys. I basically have been wanting to get a black bag. I did not have a black bag with silver hardware just for everyday wear. Most of the black bags that I have are gold hardware, and most of the black bags that I've seen are gold hardware. So I wanted something specifically that had silver hardware on it. So I went searching and I found this. I will just kind of put on the screen here the actual website. It's the Coach Outlet website that I got it on, and it'll show the price and everything. So hopefully I'll remember to have it scrolling here. But let's get into it. So this bag, this box actually came in today. I ordered it last Friday, and today is Friday. So it's been a full 7 days for this bag to come. We do have a Coach Outlet in Charlotte, and I would have just gone up there to get it because they did have it in stock at the store. It said it on the website. But knowing me, I would have not only bought this bag, I would have gotten other stuff too. So just to keep myself within budget and not trying to buy out the whole store, I went ahead and ordered online. And if I don't like it, I can just take it to the store to return it. So let's get into it, y'all. This box, like I said, it came in today. So it's been a week in the making. We'll go ahead and open it up. Your typical box. So basically just comes like this. There's nothing else in the box at all. There's just a little packing slip and that's it. Again, this is Coach Outlet, so the quality is expected to be a little less, of course. That's not to say that it's not real Coach. Coach Outlet is real Coach, but it's just made for the outlet store. There are certain things that you can look at for, you know, any outlet, whether it's the Kate Spade, the Prada outlet, Coach Outlet, whatever the case may be. Different designers make, you know, their high-end merchandise, and then they make their stuff for the outlet. And then some of the stuff for the outlet is just kind of last season type of thing. But I believe this particular bag actually was made for the outlet. So again, it just comes in a bag. Little plastic thing says Coach, has a little Coach symbol on there. This is gonna be a quick review, y'all, I promise. So, has the little wrapper on there, a little piece of tape. Whoop. And there you have it. This is the bag. It's not a whole lot of hoopla, no cards, no dust bags, no none of that. The bag is just right here. So far, I like it. Let me do a little close up. The leather is pretty smooth here. It is not the best quality leather. It's not the softest, but I like it. But it is real leather, so it's not polyurethane or anything like that. So we're gonna just take this off. And they have this kind of stuffed in here, so I'll just remove all of this. I like it so far, so my mind so far is that I'm gonna keep it. All right, so they got a lot of little stuffing in here. So it's cute. It's about, I would say, I don't know, 7 inches by maybe 5 inches. It's smaller than I thought it would be. And then the width of it is maybe like 2.5, 3 inches here. It has the little Coach tag hanging off the side. We'll take that off. And I'm being careful in case I do decide to take it back, but so far I like it enough that I think I'm gonna keep it. And it has the little tag that, you know, comes on there. This is the strap to it. I'll go ahead and unwrap the strap because actually the strap was one of the main things that made me want to go ahead and purchase this one. I thought the strap to it was really cute. So let's see. how it looks in person. And I'm asking myself now, like, would I have bought this bag had I just gone to the outlet and seen it, you know, at first in person. So that's the strap off. We'll go ahead and connect it. It's got the signature C's on the back and the signature C's a little bit on the front. Now I know a lot of people do not like that like signature merchandise. The inside is pretty good. You can put your phone right here, maybe your keys, and maybe like a little wallet card case. And back here you can put, you can fit a full wallet in here. You could probably put a little makeup. I would say, you know, whatever you're carrying in the day is big enough to carry your day. You know, if you're just gonna run out and go shopping or whatever the case may be. Oh, there's a little piece of thing here too. I like the fact that it has the actual Coach symbol instead of a C right here. That kind of drew me to the bag online as well. And there's also a pocket in the back as well. So there's plenty of space. You can probably put more so like a card back here so it wouldn't be bulky. But it's a cute little crossbody bag, you know. This will really be cute with an all black outfit or black and silver. I'd say it would get the job done. I like it, and I do believe I am going to keep it. When I purchased the bag last week, it was during the extra 15% off sale. So I believe the price was $156 at the time with 15% off. So I ended up paying about $145 total with the taxes. It was free shipping. I believe now, and I'll put it on the screen what the price is now. I believe they reduced the price a little bit even more now. I think it's at $130 something as of today. Today is February the 25th. So I would say it's a cute little bag. I mean, it's gonna serve its purpose. It's not the most high-end, the most well-made, but like I said, it is real leather. The fabric is good quality. It is gonna be durable. Here's the tag in case you're interested. So, you know, Coach is having its resurgence right now. There's a lot of, you know, new bags coming out, especially with the True Coach brand, not the outlet, but the True Coach brand. With the Pillow Tabby coming, you know, popular last year and everything. I think Coach is kind of making a comeback. So I went ahead and got a bag, and I think it's really cute. It'll be my nice little casual everyday bag for what it's worth. So hopefully you all like this. I know it was just a quick little video, but hopefully, you know, you can get online and check it out for yourself. They also have this in the color, it's brown here. I'm sorry, it's red here with brown leather. That one was really cute too. It's a little bit more trendy than what I wanted. Again, I just wanted black and silver, so that's what I got. So hopefully you like this video. If you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks.